Hi guys, today I'm going to do a bike check on my Profile Elite Custom. So this bike is fairly light. It's expensive, but I got it used, but it's absolutely amazing. So I'm rocking United bars. Got a profile stem, profile mini front hub with a vocal rim. I've got Total Forks premium cranks, 25T sprocket, total hangover H4 frame. I've got cut ties, and most impressively, I've got a Profile Elite back wheel, which is absolutely amazing. It's like the best hub you can literally buy, and if you can hear it, it just sounds absolutely amazing. So here's some riding clips. Oh crap!